The United States Department of Agriculture, better known as the USDA, operates a food testing laboratory. The purpose of this laboratory is to analyze common foods and determine their nutrition value. The USDA makes the results of these analyses publicly available on its website. The website is called Food Data Central. The Food Data website offers the results of these analyses in several collections. Currently, there are 5 separate collections. We'll concentrate on the SR Legacy Collection. This collection contains the USDA food value items found in the CookBookPlus application itself. To look up the nutrition values for a food item, click the Browse button on the appropriate collection. Typically, the page will open up and display items starting at the beginning of all the food items. To look for a certain item, click in the control in the upper left corner, and what we're going to do is we're going to look for oyster, so we'll type in OYSTER and then click Search. That search returned a number of different items. Oysters, by the way, are in the group called mollusks, so all the oyster items will start with the term mollusk. We're going to be wanting to find the nutrition values for mollusk oysters Eastern Wild Raw. Click that link. And the items are displayed. Let me scroll just a little. First thing I'll point out is that with the Nutrients tab selected here, and that's the default tab. If you open this drop-down, you'll see that nutrients are analyzed for 100 grams, 1 cup of oysters, or 6 medium oysters. We're going to be interested in the 1 cup oysters, so we'll select that. And the nutrient values we're interested in will be energy kilocalories. 126 is the total calories contained in 1 cup of oysters. We'll also be interested in the protein, in this case 14.2, the total fat or lipids, in this case 4.24 grams, and the total carbohydrates, in this case 6.75 grams. What you would do is write down the values for kilocalories, protein, fat, and carbohydrate, and then return to CookBookPlus yeast and enter those values in either a new ingredient or update an existing ingredient. If you want to get the values for a different measure, in this case, 6 medium oysters, select that value, and correspondingly, you can get the values for kilocalories or total calories, protein, and fats, and carbohydrates. To search for a different food item, scroll back to the top and either go back to Search or Home. When finished working with the USDA website, close the browser tab. You can do that using Control-W. That will return you to the CookBookPlus web app's USDA page if you accessed the USDA website from that page originally.